Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to see how to disassemble a tie rod from the steering knuckle if you don't have a puller. Now there are different methods to do this, to go about it, but we are going to demonstrate the best way to disassemble if you don't have a ball joint puller. Now you might have seen people removing this bolt by tapping on the nut, risking damage to the teeth. Now the best way to disassemble this unit is to hammer the steering knuckle. Give it a tap. Because the bolt is tapered, it will run free. So keep tapping until it becomes loose. This is the best way to disassemble this unit. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with beautiful videos of this kind. Till then, stay tuned.